I'd really wanted that gold, I'd have taken it by now. But the fact remains, 2 of the Invincibles are dead. And you think I did it? There's only one thing for it. Wait for the killer to come, and catch him.
Shots out to Mac, he shook the Benz chassis. The passenger seat was looking nasty. What's done is done, ain't no looking back. Came real bad man, ting daddy. Clipped the wing on the canary. Not even me could think to compete with gravity. The grass ain't as green on the other half of the valley. Watch the company you carry, like the monkey on the attic. I'm cut, this shit ain't average. Since a youngin', I've been busting niggas' asses. My jacket should be padded, I'm back at it. Niggas is corny, in the story 24/7 we ballin', I call this indoor sporting. Don't get caught out in the storm is pouring. This is story. My foes a clip before it hits morning. 3/4 British walkers walking with Lawkins. Pull a ripcord on the steamboat on some Christopher Cross shit. Then find your body floating somewhere up the Gulf Strip. You might just wanna call it quits.
Hit him like a ton of bricks on the back end of the flip. Run your shit. 100 guns, 100 clips. Niggas talk shit, abandon ship. I run a tight ship, 40 by the hip. Black tape around the grip. I tell you what, these niggas make me sick. Wonder if he'd out or eat this without a pot to piss. Ostriches, the dominant color of lobster bisque. We poppin' shit, the swag alone to make you off your bitch. It's 516, but he ride the 5 or 6. Better hide your shit, you just an easy lick. Youngins riding with the stick, spit rhymes on stick. You just a piece of shit. Bland pot of grits, no sauce. The work for low cost, to key us off. We from up north, the East Coast. I'm all Sean like beast mode. Put the ratchet to the peephole. Crack your cerebral. My wolves will eat you. This shit is lethal. Why?
If I'd really wanted that gold, I'd have taken it by now. But the fact remains,